Phil. I might do that right now. I know. We only go this fast when I pull out. The only way to get this fast is to fix the sail out. Right now it's just shadowed. Like if I took the main down, Olivia, come back and make sure we don't hit them. Good, yeah. I'm right behind you, shut up! Hold on. I gotta make sure I...
What happened in that previous moment there was when Pete ran to the front of his boat, he accidentally disconnected the autopilot and it turned and hit us. No big deal. It's just a little scratch. No, it's part of the sailing thing. In the next segment of the video, you'll see he gets the Pirate Award, which is the Pirate Boarding Award. If you ram into someone's boat by accident, you get the pirate's head and a little note goes along with it, and you'll see him receiving the Awesomest Award of ramming your boat at sea. Pirate boarding. Love you, Pete. Talk to you later. Him and Olivia are an awesome sailing couple.
What do we got here? Here you go. Oh, the official Pirate Award. You are now the new owner of an official Pirate Award. You have earned the mighty badge of Pirate and Seizure.
Boarding.
Boarding a
vessel.
vessel at sea. Display it proudly until you get pirated. Good luck.
That is awesome.
That is so...
What is it? What do you have in your hand?
So there we go.
And it came with a token award. What was the token gift? The
Black spot. That's great. And look at that. There we go.
And on the back of the letter is the first victim. You see it?
List of victims, July 8th, 2020. Alita Fox. That's great. Well, thank you guys. That's
You're
hilarious.
welcome.
Now we have our first piece of decor.
I know. Look at that.
At least no one got too heavily injured in the boarding.
Hello, Mr. Pelican. That is too funny. See if you can reach out and put your hand out. See if he wants to touch it. That is too funny. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.